Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to be making myself a very nice simple lunch. Lunch of some Tikka flavoured pork skewer meat. And also I might make myself some naan, just some stovetop naan. I've shown that before on the channel, but so simple, couple of ingredients, easy peasy. And I think I'll just have like a cucumber raider with that, and that should be a lovely lunch. So I've started here, but I'm sort of just using up leftovers in my fridge, and freezer. In my freezer I've had this 500 grams of pork mince sitting there for a while now, so I want to use that, and that was sort of the inspiration for coming up with an idea for lunch. Now, being a simple recipe, I'm actually using some store-bought Tikka paste, and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of that into my mix, along with a couple of tablespoons of sort of roughly chopped mint leaves, fresh mint leaves. So, yep, easy peasy recipe. That's it. I mean, most of our flavouring is in that store-bought paste, so we don't need to get too extravagant. And I'm just going to mix that up. And I'll get on with that, and I'll get back to you. All right, that didn't take long, obviously, to mix that up. Now I've just got some of my metal skewers here, and what I'm going to do is just get clean hands, little handfuls, about that much. Just roll them into a sort of a rough ball. Get my skewer, stick it through, and just roll it into, you know, like a kofta sort of shape. Bit of a longer shape, and I'm going to push it right up to this end, because I'm going to do 2 on each skewer. And once I've got them rolled out like that, I'm just going to get them onto a plate. Like so. I'll get a few more going, and then I'm going to sit them in the fridge for about half an hour. Alrighty, now just while my pork patties there are resting in the fridge, I'm going to quickly rustle up some naan bread. Like I say, I've shown you that before, so I won't dwell on it too much. I've got 1 3/4 cups of self-raising flour, ingredient 1, 1 200 gram tub of Greek yogurt, ingredient 2. That's all there is to it. I'll mix that up. I'll give it a bit of a kneading once I've got it into a ball, and then divide it up into 3 or 4 pieces for my naan. All right, I'll get on with that. I'll get back to you. Alrighty, so in that same fry pan that I've just been cooking my garlic naan there, which has come out a treat, I'm going to now cook these pork patties, and like I say, they've been in the fridge for about half an hour. I've got a little bit of oil and a little bit of ghee. I'll just get them in there. Alrighty, well, I think we're all done. Now, all I've done while those that meat was cooking is I've made a little bit of a yogurt sort of rati as well. All that's in that is some chunks of big chunks of cucumber and some garlic and a little bit of salt. And I've got some green chili sliced and a little bit of red onion. So let's go for it. So I'll get one of my nice naan breads here. You can see it's nice and floppy and flexible. I'll get one of my meat skewers. Is that cooled down enough? Yep. And we'll pop them on. Sit them in the middle like so. Actually just off the middle because I'm going to fold this over in a minute. Alright. A little bit of our yogurt, cucumber. Yum-ho. Don't be stingy. A few sliced green chilies if you like, optional, of course. I like, as you probably know if you're a regular viewer, and just a few bits of sliced red onion. And that, my friends, is my Tikka pork skewers with some yogurt grater, some lovely homemade garlic naan, and some onions and chilies. Alrighty, so my deluxe, I don't know what you want to call it, wrap sandwich, naan sandwich, ready to go. Looking good. Let's give it a taste, eh? Absolutely delicious, really yummy. You saw how easy that was. Definitely make your own bread. It's beautiful and soft, and yeah, rubbing that ghee and garlic all over it. Oh, it's just delicious. That little bit of garlic in the rati as well. I only put one clove in that, but yum. That's all I can say. Alright, I'm going to sit down and eat this now. I might even crack open a beer. It's about time. Thanks for watching, and thanks to everyone who's subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it, as always. If you haven't got round to subscribing yet, can I just ask you hit that subscription button? That'd be great. Doesn't cost you anything, no obligation. Just helps out my channel, and I'd really appreciate it if you could. But if you don't want to, no worries. Thanks for watching this video anyway. It's, welcome on board, and maybe yeah, check out a few of the others. Alrighty guys, I will see you all next time.